My name is Matthew Blythe and I'm an independent advisor specialising in the precision livestock technology. When looking at EID readers, there's really only 3 different types of EID readers available on farm. There is cheap end models that the cat and dog world, horse world use, but they only normally record full duplex FDX tags. They normally don't read half duplex tags, which we use a lot in the beef and dairy world. Also, these only show us a tag number and normally don't connect to any of the third-party apps or don't have Bluetooth available on them to send that EID over to that app. So when we're looking at EID tag readers, these 3 ranges that are really available to us. The first range of EID readers really only record the tag number, normally store it on the device, or can send it over Bluetooth to a third-party app or software. They can be downloaded later into some of the software, so when you finish you've got a list of tag numbers and that can be downloaded into the third-party software, but that's all they do. That includes EID readers and the panels. The next range of EID readers can store extra information. So either they are set up by third-party software companies and they've got a nice routine on them for lambing time, body condition score, recording weight, etc. But these have to be set up by third-party apps so they're in the right sequence for them to download the data. The other ones in this range you can program yourself and you can set them up in the routine you would like, and some of these can also show you the life data information. So breed, sex, sire, dam. Also, some of these have the capabilities of having an alert come up on the screen showing you that the animal is either in a withdrawal period if you would like, or this animal's been identified around lambing time as a cull animal or is being repetitively lame. These can be set up with no extra software. The software comes with them and you set them up normally using Excel and upload that alert file onto them. Then the last range of EID readers are the most expensive. They're mini computers and normally programmed by the third-party software company, and they can show you the full history of that animal, and also they can record any information, traits, breeds, anything you would like on them, and normally got really nice routines. A lot of this has been replicated on phones to go with the bottom end stick reader, so you have your phone or a tablet in one hand and the bottom end stick reader in the other hand. But it really depends what software you're using or what software and what information you'd like to record to be able to bring everything together to understand and get the best out of the setup. This also comes down to getting the training and the support to help you be able to set this equipment up and use it properly in the first place.